On this video today, I'm going to show you step by step how you can make money with affiliate program. Yes, you are going to make up to $100 to $200 every single day. When I say every single day, it's every single day. But what is important here is that you need to follow the strategy that I'm going to show you on this video. That is going to allow you to make this type of money. So let me take you now to my computer and show you how you can make money with this strategy. The first thing we need to do is to go to this platform, which is called ShareASay. ShareASay is an affiliate program platform that allows people like me and you to promote product or service and get paid in return by doing that. The strategy of what we have to use today, or the category of the strategy we are going to use today, is fashion. So we are going to use fashion to make money online. What we are going to be doing is to promote fashion product to our audience and make money from it in return. But one thing I want you to understand here is that you need to join ShareASay affiliate platform. The link of ShareASay affiliate platform will be in the description below. If you want, you can just click on it and you can access ShareASay, join the program, and they are going to approve you instantly once you join ShareASay. So once you land on this page, the first thing you have to do is to pick the category of the product that you want to start promoting. Either maybe back to school, new program, ranking, which is SEO, marketing, which is marketing tools, clothing, which is fashion, garden and home, which is garden and home, accessory, which is like chaplets, bracelets, all these jewelries. That is what you can find in accessories. So, but the one we are using today is clothing. So I will click on clothing now. So now that I click on clothing, it's going to open up like this page here. And here we are going to find a lot of brands that we can join their program and start promoting them. So you can see there's a tons of program here, which is brand that we can partner with and start promoting their products and make money in return. Let us say, for example, we want to promote this program here, which is Billa77.com. This is a fashion program website or a fashion designer platform, a fashion clothing line. Let me just call it like that. You can see that they are going to pay us 15% if we promote this product. Anyone purchase it, 15% commission will be sent to us from any amount of money they spend on the program. So that is something that you need to bear in mind. So to join the program, the first thing I want you to do is to look into the product if it's something that you want to start promoting. To look into the product to see if it's something that is corresponding to what you want, you need to click on the Billa77. So it's going to take you here and you'll be seeing the amount of money you are making for just sending one client to them. At the bottom here, you'll be seeing the category of what you can search that will display their website on ShareASay program. At the bottom here, you'll be seeing 7 days to 30 days. Let us say 30 days. You'll be seeing the amount of money you will make for 30 days. 7 days, this is the amount of money you can make. So let us say, for example, you want to start promoting this product. The average commission is $11.69. This is the average commission you will make for each person that you send to them. And you can still make average sales. Average sales is $77.92, which is something that is very, very good. So these are the two things I want you to pay attention to. The thing that I like so much about this type of program is that their cookie duration is very, very good. So when we come down here, you can see that their cookie duration is 90 days. Let us say anyone click on your link, on your affiliate link, and they did not purchase the product, but they come back in the next 30 days and purchase this product, you are going to get the commission because they click on your link. Your link have been installed on their Chrome browser or their web browser for good 90 days, which is 3 good months. Your link will be stored on their browser. Anyone that purchase products with their phone website, which is called Billa77, you are going to make money online. Now that you understand what I'm talking about here, what you can still do is to look at their terms and conditions and the commission rates and the PPC, which is the keyword rules. So the type of word that you can use while you are promoting their product or service. So there is some policy that we prohibit you of not using some kind of word while you are promoting their product or service. So you can just look through all those things so that you will receive your money once you make any commission. That is one thing that I want you to bear in mind. So let us say you are okay with it all you just have to do is to click on the part where it said join program, and it's going to pop this page up. So before you join this program, what I want you to do is to go to the website, look at the program to see, is this really a fashion designer platform? Is this really a clothing line, or is just a other product or other service? So let us go to the website to understand what they are really selling on their official website. And this is the clothing line, which is Billa77.com. As you can see, they have kind of cool products here. I really like their product. It's really elegant and simple. This is classic dress, so I like this type of dress. Honestly, I would like my woman to wear this type of dress for me. Just look classic and simple. But their product is expensive. You can see $100. It's very difficult to find women clothes expensive like this, $100, $110. So this is something that can be interesting to promote. So now that you are okay with it, or if you are satisfied with what you are seeing on the platform, then you can come back to Share a Sale program and tell them about what you think that you can start using to promote the product. But you can see what they are saying here, optional. So you can enter the information of how you plan to promote them or not. So you can just accept the terms and conditions, click on join this program. If I click on it now, you can see it's saying pending here. If they approve me, I'm going to receive an email letting me know that they approve me. If they disapprove me, they are going to still send me an email letting me know or notifying me that they did not approve me to promote this program. So that is one thing that I want you to bear in mind. So let me show you how you can get your affiliate link and start promoting them if they have approved you. So you will see, you put your mouse here where it said links, and you will see get a link /banner. So click on that and it's going to open up this page. So once it opens up this page, here you are going to find a lot of websites or brands that have allowed you to start promoting their product or service. It's very, very important for you to understand this. So you can create a custom URL that you want to start using to promote the product or service, or you can just come here and choose the brand that you want to start promoting. Let us say I want to promote this program, which is called Modely, that they have approved me. I just need to click on get link. So once it opens like this, what you have to do, this is now your affiliate link. If you copy this link now and start sharing it to your audience, you are going to make money. But don't just go and start sharing this link here. What you have to do is to scroll down here, just scroll down a bit. And here you are going to look at the type of product that you want to start promoting. You will see category here. Category is at the middle here. And that is where you are going to start looking at the type of product that you can start promoting. When you see dress, that is the product that you can find on dress category. When you see bottoms, are like all these sport wears that they will wear that is tightening their body, summer clothes and summer clothes and summer clear clothes, all these are things that you can go and start promoting to your audience. Clothing, swimming wear, it keeps on going and so on and so on. So they have millions of style of clothes that you can go and start promoting to your audience. Let us say, for example, we want to go and promote like dress. This one that they put dress here, and you just need to click on the part where it said get HTML. You can see it at the side here. Click on that to get your affiliate link. This is HTML. If you have a website, you want to put it on your website like a banner. But if you don't have a website, you can use the only URL. Click on select only URL. This is now your own URL here. So what you have to do is to copy the URL of this your product or this service that you want to start promoting. Copy the URL here, and I want you to open this link in a browser. Why? Because I want you to go and download the image that you are finding on the page so that you can use it to promote it to your audience, so that anytime they click on your link or they see that your post, they will understand that this is the type of product they are going to find on that particular page. So let us go and open this page to know what we will find on this page here. I'm going to open the link now in a new page. So guys, now that you have opened, what you just have to do is to scroll down and look at the type of product that you would like to promote. I want you to put in mind any one of these products you promote and anyone purchases, you have to make sure you know the amount of money you are going to make. I don't want you to just waste your time. if we go back to this website, which is Share a Say, and click on Modely, it's going to show us Modely profile on Share a Say platform. You can see that we are going to make 9%. So what we have to do now is to go back to the website, like the main website, and select the type of product we want to promote. Once you come to the website here, what you have to do is to focus on a product that is a little bit expensive, like this product, which is $40. If I click on this now, let us open the page. So now that you have opened like this, what you have to do is to download the image here. So to download the image, put in your mouse there and copyright the image, and you click on Save As. Once you click on Save As, it's going to be saved on your computer, and you are going to go and create this as a pin on Canva so that you'll be able to start publishing it on Pinterest. Pinterest is the platform that we are going to start using to make money online with. So we are not going to be driving any traffic. All we just need to do is to optimize our pin, and we will be in a chance of making money with this strategy. So now that we understand how this works now, what we have to do now is to go and create a pin on Canva. So we have let us assume now we have the image. Let us go to Canva. So once you come to Canva, to create your pin, the pin size of Pinterest is 180 by 180. So that is the pin size of Pinterest pin on Canva. So now I have just did something that is very simple here. So all I just need to do is to download it. So I have downloaded it now. Let us go to Pinterest now and publish this our pin. So once you come to Pinterest, before you publish anything, there is one thing I want you to understand here. Before you publish anything on Pinterest, I want you to look at what people are really searching for, what is trending on Pinterest. So what I recommend that you should do is to enter here and type in women dress, or you can type in dress just to see. Click on dress and type it, and you will see those are women dress that is like on top of first page on Pinterest. So if anyone click on dress, search for dress now, this is the type of dress that is popping up on Pinterest. And these are things that people are really buying through Pinterest to the vendor or to the supplier. So let us say we want to buy any one of these products here. You can see, let us just scroll down a bit. This is Eva Clothing. Let us click on Eva Clothing here, and it's going to open like this. So what we have to do now is to click on the link. Let me open the link. So now that the sales page I've opened, which is this one here, you can see the price of the product, and you can see that you have one review, and this is how the product look. So it's something that you need to bear in mind. That is something that a lot of people are doing on Pinterest, and you yourself can go and do it. So this is the product on Pinterest, and the person have the link of his own website, and anyone that click on it, just like I did, and it's going to take them to the official website here, and they are going to buy the product. And if it's affiliate product, you are going to do what? And the commission. That is how it works. It's very simple. There's nothing difficult here. I just want to make this video because I know that this will be something that will help a lot of you, and you can start using this method to generate passive income, and you can make up to $100 or $200 every single day if you take this very serious. It's not just that you did it once and you are expecting to make money. To continue doing it like continuously, and you are going to find results. So that is one thing that I want you to understand here. If we go back again to Pinterest here and click on back, so how you can do research of what you want to start promoting is to search for it. Let us say I search for, and you can see men dress that is available, which is something that is weird. This is really weird. So this is the men dress that is available. Let us say, for example, I like this guy. If I click on it now, and it's going to open up here. Now let us say I click on it. Look what it said. Sorry, this item is unavailable in your region, which means the reason why it's not available to me, I will not be able to order this product. So the supplier is not shipping to the country where I am living now. That is why it's showing this. But if it's not, you will still see that it will show us the website, and it will show us the product, and we can order it if we want to buy it. So this is how to do your keyword research. You need to search for the product that is on the first page of Pinterest, and go and look for this type of product on this program, on this website, which is called Modely.com. So go to Modely.com, look for this type of product, and go back to Pinterest and publish them. But before you publish them, like I said, Go to Canva and create the pin. Create the pin on Canva and publish it on Pinterest. And if anyone click on it and purchase the product, you are going to make money. That is how it works, my friend. It's very, very simple, and anyone can do this business strategy. Only what you just need is time. If you are able to do this repeatedly, you will be in a chance of making good amount of money by just promoting those affiliate program on SalesShare and make money with them on Pinterest. So that is everything I want to talk about. You see that everything I showed you here is free. There is nothing like you paying for anything. Only what you need is time, and you will be in a chance of making money with this strategy. If you want to learn how you can make $450 every single day, you need to watch this video that will pop up right now. I will see you on my next upcoming video.